how to connect an XLR microphone using Vodcaster in order for you to live stream to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all the platforms using iPhone. So here are all the things we're going to need, and I'm going to go step by step and how to connect every single one of these pieces right here. Vodcaster One works perfectly. This is the Sony ECM603. It's a shotgun microphone, but it'll work really well and it's going to sound really good. Okay, so that's the first piece of equipment you need. It doesn't have to be this one. It can be any other XLR microphone. XLR just means that it's got this 3-pin input. And also need XLR cable and any microphone or any headphones in order to monitor your sound. You're going to need a USB-C connection. This is going to be to power the Vodcaster. Okay. You're also going to need Lightning, so I'm using iPhone with a Lightning port. You're going to need Lightning cable. It's right here. You're also going to need this adapter. I always get a lot of questions about this particular adapter here. This is a Lightning adapter. It's called the OTG adapter, and allows you to put power in here. You can also do headphones. I don't use it for that because we have the Vodcaster. And this is the part that's going to connect the Vodcaster, because the Vodcaster by itself and the phone cannot use the phone's power to power it. So you're going to need external power. It also have to the wall. That's going to be what we use this cable for. All right, so let's start with the first part of this, which is connecting the microphone. So that's why we got our XLR cable. So let's connect XLR cable here. Pretty simple to do. Just connect this part. Okay, so then now you're in. Now let's look at the back of the Vodcaster. So what we're interested in is this part. This is going to be where your mic gets connected to. So let's connect our microphone via XLR cable. Again, find the 3 pins and we'll just line it up, and then we're just going to put it in. Okay, so microphone is connected. Okay, the next thing we want to do is connect our headphones. It doesn't have to be in this particular order. Headphones can be last, but I'm just showing it like that as we're going around. If you don't have an adapter like this, you're going to need one, because Vodcaster only takes a big adapter, 1/4 inch adapter, and it's going to go into the headphone part of the Vodcaster. So now we have our headphones to monitor our sound. All right, very important part here. This is going to be the cable for the unit to work with the phone. This is what's going to be connected to the OTG adapter. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to bring this USB part of it into the USB part of the adapter, and we want to plug it in right there. So we got that part. Okay, once we have that part, this is going to go into the Vodcaster. So we're looking for the USB connection here, which is right there. See, right there, we're going to go USB in. Okay, so there you go. That's how that's connected. Okay, so now we're going to introduce our power and our way to connect our phone, our interface, into the phone in order for all this to work. Okay, so let's connect the power. So here's the Lightning cable. Lightning cable is going to go into the OTG. See the little power lightning bolt there? We're going to connect that in there. Okay, so that's going to power this, and it's going to allow the connectivity into the iPhone. All right, so once we have that, this is the connection that goes to the wall. That some people get confused with this, but yes, this is the part that goes to the wall. And again, it's going to feed power here. And then it's going to give power, the power we need, to the Vodcaster. All right, so let's connect that right now. All right, so we're almost set. We're just going to connect the phone. So we have our phone connection there. Okay. And then on the back of the Vodcaster, we have the power button. So once we push the power button in, we're going to see that everything lights up, and then we're going to be able to start our podcast or our stream. So let's demonstrate that now so you can hear exactly what it all sounds like once everything's connected. Okay, now that the phone is connected, you can see that it's running. This is coming signal from the Vodcaster into the phone, and then it's also powering, giving enough power to the Vodcaster. So when we turn it on, this is what it's going to look like. So now it's on. You can see the lights are faint. You can even add little effects if you push this button. You light that button up, it gives you effects. Or you can just mute the microphone. When you mute the microphone, you can see that it's lighting up red. And then if you turn it off, we can see that it's back to normal. This is where you monitor your sound, so you can turn the volume up and down. And in order to get that microphone going, you want to turn the phantom power on. So there's a button on the back, and you can see now if I'm talking, you can hear me. And if I'm going to bring the microphone closer to me, audio check 1 2, audio check 1 2. This is Vodcaster One. So now it's recording my voice. When I press record, it'll record my voice. So there we go. There it is. And I'm gonna, right here, I'm gonna put a video so you can hear the actual quality of Vodcaster One. So there it is. That's the setup with iPhone, OTG adapter, powering all of this, making sure that everything stays on. Can you live stream with this? Yes. You can live stream with this setup, and you can run your live stream podcast, monitor your sound in real time, and it works out perfectly. This is the sound of the Vodcaster One with the Sony ECM603 microphone, shotgun microphone, audio check 1 2. So this is exactly what it's going to sound like once everything is set up. Now the one question that we get is, can you go live with it? Yes, you can do a live stream with it, and you'll be able to hear yourself. You can monitor your sound, and you can make your adjustments just like this. So everything that was set up here is exactly how I got it to work on the iPhone. Audio check 1 2 3, Vodcaster One.